Oh yeah. Let's go annoy some people in Cambridge. Oh, I love shit like this. I'm so excited to go through town and scare people. Ooh. Fuck. He's taking his cock out. Hopefully footage comes out right. Imagine having to sit in traffic. Oh, I'm going to sit in traffic actually, because there's a police. Where are they? All the way up there. Wicked. Oh, let's just avoid them. What's the temperature? 89. Oh. Fucking cracks me up, I love it. Oh, put me fucking visor down so no one can see my face. How many people can we scare? I would kill switch it, but it's fucking bad. Come on, fucking hurry up. It's so sick, this roundabout. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh. It's like the smoothest roundabout in the whole of this area. Oh. It makes me extremely happy, that roundabout. It's just the best. Oh, honestly, it's great. Just a nice 40 road, you know. Man's gone blind. I don't know why I decided to ride to my mother's. Like, what was the fucking purpose of it? I don't know. I'm bored and I like riding, so that's my logic. Rawr, that means I love you in dinosaur. I remember my KTM on this hill. Fucking, that was horrible. Fucking didn't even want to pull at all. Bro, I've nearly got no fuel left. Oh this bike just shreds. Just the noise, it fucking... Oh, there's a fucking dip there. That hurt. The fucking kids at the shop were like, this village must fucking hate me. Jesus. Fuck them. Who's the idiot that went tear-assing through the village? Not me. Is there nobody home? What the hell?